sitting over here getting my eyes on what we're doing today, because, well, the whole idea of this barn when I built it was for it to eventually be my office, and this to be just like a super magical space where we can create content and stay motivated on things that matter. And that's cool stuff. So I need to put my office in here. That's the only thing that's not in here yet. You know, we got the workbenches and stuff for hunting and fishing and working on bows and guns. We've got the automotive side with all of the tools and everything like that. We got some fun stuff to do, like a pool table back here. We got trucks, wood and plows and bows and mounts and a fridge. There's no office in here yet. And when I was getting a little landscape of the area up there, I have a truck where my office needs to go. Because I want to keep this completely open. I don't want any walls, which I was thinking about doing before and doing a loft and all that. I want it completely open in here. So everything is one big space, one giant big space. But the office is gonna go right there. That guy's gotta move. Now, this dude is pretty much ready to go, but it still doesn't drive because I don't have drive shafts in it. I still gotta get those made or find some for it. Just been a little not wanting to do it lately, so motivate me in the comments to go get drive shafts for that thing. And if you think you might have drive shafts for that thing, just, you know, hit me up on MySpace or whatever. I think I'm gonna bring all my office stuff. I got a gun safe, I got a desk, and I've got like a credenza type deal. I'm thinking gun safe's gonna go in the back corner, the desk will stick out here, and then the credenza is back against that wall to where, you know, if I'm doing a Zoom meeting or something like that, I got some dead animals in the background and people know I'm not messing around. This is the before, man. This is gonna be a lot of crap we gotta move today. And it's a bunch of heavy shit. Still got all this barn wood, this extra barn wood. I'm like trying to think of what to do with it. Thinking maybe I bring it out to the house, we do some walls with it or something, but a lot of stuff to move today, a lot of work. But dude, I got something exciting hold on, I can't even talk, I gotta, guys, sorry about that, I apologize. We are officially bringing back the fan intros. If you guys watched the old Live to Thrill days, each one of you who submitted an intro, we would use it in every video. It was a great way to interact with you guys. It was a great way to for you guys to be able to be a part of the videos. So we're bringing them back, okay? Now, if you don't even know what I'm talking about, it's basically every single time I upload a video, one of you might be doing the intro. So let me give you guys a little example, all right? This is exactly what I want you guys to do. You ready for this? Should we just shoot a little example real quick, bro? Yeah. All right, give me 1 sec. What's cracking, folks? My name's Jared Outlaw, and I'm from Eastern Colorado, and you're watching Outlaw. Yo! So yeah, basically just something like that, okay? I want you to say your name. I want you to say where you're from. I want you to say you're watching Outlaw, and then I want you to scream yellow as loud as you freaking can to get the freaking people pumped for the gosh dang video. So, what you gotta do and where you gotta send it. I want you to make, there's only one rule, okay? You gotta film it landscape. Whether you're filming on a camera or whether you're filming on a phone, I want you to make sure you're filming it landscape. I don't want those freaking black bars. Yeah, don't be doing that, okay? I want filming landscape. And then, dude, just be creative, man. You don't have to say exactly what I said. I want you to be creative, maybe be in a cool freaking place. If you live in Alaska, have a moose behind you and kick him in the freaking balls, dude. Like be creative and be unique. You know what I'm saying? And that'll make us want to use your intro more so. People are really creative. I know you guys are, so I can't wait to freaking see them, man. And then you have to email it. We created an email just for the fan intro so that Brolaw, when he's editing, he can go in there and grab one for each gosh dang video. It is outlawintros@gmail.com. That's where you send them, baby. I think you know, if the file's too big, it just uploads to their Google Drive or something like that, right? And then we download it from there. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. outlawintros@gmail.com. I think that's it, man. You guys freaking get at it, dude. I want to see these gosh dang intros, and I'm excited to work with y'all, man. Cheers. right, got the truck moved. I just poked myself in the eye with the broom while I was sweeping. The internet barely works out here. One, it's a steel building. We're gonna make another video on setting up internet out here because it's a pretty cool system. I think I might need Elon Musk's help though. Cool. I think the chickens want to help. I don't think I ever showed y'all my chickens. Here's the girls. What's up, girls? Were you scared? Come on. That's Moon. She's the biggest girl of the pack. See if we got any eggs today. Somebody's probably laying right now. Oh, Dolly's laying. No eggs yet. Pop out 2 for me, Dolly. This video is sponsored by outlawintros.com, where we just released our brand new leather wallets, man. We got the Rodeo wallet, which is a personal favorite of mine, and the Trifold. We got the new Outlaw logo on there, the minimalist Western logo. These are two-tone, brown, actually 3-tone tan and brown wallets. These are gonna patina over time. I think this is like our 4th wallet that we have released. You guys absolutely love them. That's why we keep coming out with new ones. And then we also just dropped the brand new Outlaw Western leather belt, where on the back it says Outlaw, and then we got the can you see one of them conches, whatever they say? Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Can you see it, dude? Are you sure?
Yep.
I know Christmas is right around the corner, but if you get it now, I'm sure you're gonna get it for that perfect gosh dang stocking stuffer. We got a bunch of other stuff over there, like boots, like t-shirts, like hats, and then all of your favorite leather goods, baby. Get at it, outlawmerch.com. Link is in the description box. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming. I always try to say that and I always mess it up, just like I messed up a bunch of crap with this. You think I would be pro by now? What? God dang! Yeah, good, Jim. Looks so tiny. A little something like this. We'll have to move Krabby. And the nice thing about having the office in the shop, no carpet. Just able to frickin' roll around, baby. Old bro, I'll be over at the pool table. I'm just gonna frickin' dink. I win. All right. Ooh. I was gonna say something motivational, but I'm not feeling really motivated right now, so fuck off. 2-1. Okay, stand moving crap, dude. If anybody's watching this and you're a professional mover, I have respect, man. Do my freaking curtsy for you. Sheesh. We'll see once we get everything out here, but I'm thinking this is pretty decent how it is. We're gonna hide all the cords. Just go into here, we'll tape it to the ground. You know, plus if somebody comes into the shop and I'm watching my own videos, I can freaking turn it off real quick and they wouldn't even know. Hit subscribe, baby. Yellow. Dude, this is the hardest part right here. We just got this away from the wall, which is hard enough, but we're on carpet right now. And this sumbitch is heavy. So got the moving dolly, got it strapped down. We're gonna try to move it all the way down. We might have to bring the truck up and put it in the bed, but it's just so freaking heavy, man. It's kind of sketchy with 2 people. But let's just see if we can get it up. This should be entertaining. 3, 2, 1. God dang, dude. We brought the biggest crowbar I have. 3, 2, 1. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is heavy as fuck.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking, honestly, contemplating life right now.
Here it comes.
All right, we saved it. We're good.
Dude!
Well, it saved the sill plate from breaking. I mean, I remember it being heavy, but you never remember how heavy it actually was. I'd say best thing is just take the dolly off, back the truck up to it. The problem is the truck's high. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I gotta think, and I freaking hate thinking.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I thought for about 13 seconds. The best way we're gonna do it is take it down on this uneven ground, Outlaw and I together. There's just no way we're gonna be able to get this into a truck bed. No way. Gotta love Eastern Colorado, ain't no grass grows out here. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay. Oh, frick. I'm sure somebody's in the comments right now like, you should have done this. I'm like, I can't think of it, man. I barely graduated. Oh!
Are you okay?
No, we need you. We got a woman involved, so now we're good.
This is so sketchy.
We're good. Yeah, it's probably one of the sketchiest things I've done, but it worked. Sometimes it just works out.
I'm a trap lord, I'ma trap you in my trap door. Pull the cord, put you in the floor, pin you to a board. Caught a hair in the snare, I cut it, I gut it, I take its soul to my lair. If you dare, you can try and take my knife, judge my way of life, and I'll trick you with the counter bear. I'm a trap lord, I'ma trap you in my trap door. Pull the cord, put you in the floor, pin you to a board.
People looking at me like I'm poor, living off the floor of the forest, it's a chore. I listen for.
All right, we are all set up, power's on. That's the new song, Trap Lord, coming out soon, baby. Oh, you know, just selling dip. Yeah, this is how I type too. Apologize for that. Office, it's getting close. We got it all in. That's all the heavy crap moved. Don't judge me, but you guys like my background? Dune, have you guys seen Dune? Two of my top, I mean, you guys already know that probably my #1 movie of all time is Interstellar. The new Dune is probably my numero dos. Yes, I do speak Chinese, okay? Yeah, I am smarter than you freaking thought. Okay, we got the Outlaw Josie Wales poster we brought in. We got to throw that up somewhere. If you guys been watching the vidges, I said we got the Africa mounts from Africa like 4 years ago, finally coming in soon. So we're going to be moving mounts around the wall all over the place. Bobcat shot an in-law. In-law shot a Bobcat a couple years ago that would look really good up in here too. So if you guys get any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I don't exactly know if this is where maybe the desk is or whatever, but I just wanted it out here, have this big creative space where I could be editing a vidya, come over here, shoot my bow, put some targets up over there, dude. I mean, it's coming along, son. I just wanted it to be big, open. I could have a bunch of people in here. We could be working on some cool things. And I don't know, man. I think it'll get the creative juices flowing a little bit in here, you know? So, all right, y'all. Hey, I just wanted to leave you guys with a little bit of message, and I want to start doing this more. This morning, I woke up at 6 a.m. I was wide awake because I went to bed early last night. It was a hard day the day before, and I said, oh, 6 a.m. I'm wide awake, but I look at the clock. I'm like, I could go back to sleep till 8. Hell, Brolaw doesn't come over until 10. I could sleep till 10 if I wanted to. You know what I mean? Those thoughts, those very first thoughts that come into your head when you first wake up, dude, you just need to get up, okay? You say, not today, Satan, because Satan is in your head first thing in the morning, and he's saying, just stay in bed. Just stay under these warm, nice freaking covers. You know what I'm saying? Not today, sucker. Kick that some dick in the dick, get up, take a shower, wash that gosh dang scrotum, and get up and do some gosh dang work. That's what I did today, and I feel great about it. But I do stink, because I skipped the shower this morning. Apologize for that, all right? Miss Outlaw, I'll have to deal with that later. But I just want to leave you guys with that piece of advice. Every morning I get up, sometimes it's just some demon inside of my head telling me to stay in bed. You know, you might not even be motivated to know what you're doing. A lot of people right now in this world, in their head, they're like, well, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I'm trying to do. You're at some job that you don't really want to be at. Bro, this is not for you, okay? I know you don't want to be here, but just don't take this to heart like everybody else. All I'm saying is, you just got to kick those demons in the dick and just get up and get after it, baby. That's all I got to say. I am really looking forward to seeing you guys' intros. Make sure to I can't wait to see them, to be honest. Send me your intro. I can't wait to see them. And here soon we'll start throwing them in the gosh dang vidges, son. Appreciate y'all. Hope you had a great day hanging along with us. We still got plenty more to do. We'll update you guys here in the future. My name is Outlaw and I'm at y'all. Always remember, no matter what you're doing, 25-8-366 to kick demons in the dick. Love yous.
I'm a trap lord, I'ma trap you in my trap door. Pull the cord, put you in the floor, pin you to a board. Caught a hair in the